All right, so this is going to be a short video, but I wanted to share with you some lessons learned and give some tips that I think might help. As a segmented turner, I spend so much time gluing segments. As you've seen in my previous videos, I've spent a lot of time sort of perfecting technique where do I line them up on a piece of tape and flip them around into a circle, or do I build them, in the jig? What does the jig look like? So much time and energy put into gluing systems, and it's because you spend so much time doing that. I started off with this piece of, melamine hardboard, right? And if you don't wipe it down immediately after the glue up, it's done. And this lasted 3 or 4 vases, and I'm like, okay, forget that. So I was at Rockler, and they've got these pads that are just perfect for it. In fact, I've seen a video of someone showing off how awesome this is. Well, see how awesome this is? I don't think it's awesome at all. Same problem if you don't wipe it down, although honestly I think it was easier to wipe down the hardboard. And so the supposed benefits of the silicone are just not bearing out here. Sure, the glue does peel off very easily, and if you've got this huge solid mass of glue, you can just really satisfyingly pull it off, and it's great, and that's what they want you to think this is going to be, and it's not that. And just this is what that is. That was awful. So this is my recent approach, and it's perfect. This is just a piece of whiteboard from Lowe's. I think I paid $8 for it. I hate to tell you how much I paid for that piece of silicone over there. $8, and it's beautiful. If you forget to wipe down the surface, it doesn't matter. The glue very happily comes up with just a little bit of elbow grease, and it's good as new. You can wipe it down. I've used it for a week now, and so I guess it's too early for me to claim that it's a more durable solution, but it's also so cheap that I don't care if it isn't. So this is my new favorite shop tool, this piece of whiteboard. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Short video here. I promise I will get up the part 3 of that vase. I've got all the footage, and I just, I've built a whole nother vase since then that I didn't film, and I just got so wrapped up in that effort that I just never did get around to posting part 3 of the, what was that, the zebra wood vase? I think that was the zebra wood vase, yeah. I'll get that up here shortly. Talk to you guys later.